Welcome to the Sociology presentation. Dyma'r cyflwyniad Cymdeithaseg. Mrs Elin Atherton ydw i a fi sy'n arwain y pwnc Cymdeithaseg, Sociology. Wel, math o berson fydd yn mwynhau Cymdeithaseg ydy rhywun sy'n hoffi cael ei herio gan syniadau newydd a sy'n hoffi trafodaeth. Type of person who will enjoy sociology will be someone who enjoys being challenged by new ideas and who likes discussion. Mae yna llawer o ddarllen, ysgrifennu ac ymchwilio unigol, a fyddwch chi angen sgiliau Saesneg da arna chi. There's a lot of reading, writing and individual research, and you will need good English skills as well. Sociology is about studying society and social behaviour. Lle'n syml iawn, Cymdeithaseg ydy astudio cymdeithas ac astudio ymddygiad cymdeithasol. Sociologists will study society to find and resolve social problems. Mi fydd cymdeithasegwyr yn astudio cymdeithas i ddarganfod problemau cymdeithasol a cheisio cynnig atebion i problemau cymdeithasol. There is a textbook for year 10 and 11. Dyma'r gwerslyfr i flynyddoedd 10 ac 11. Fyddwch chi angen copi eich hunain. You will need your own copy. Ym mlwyddyn 10, byddwch chi'n astudio Component 1. Dyma restr o'r topics fyddwn ni'n astudio ym mlwyddyn 10. So here's a list of the topics that you'll study in year 10. And on these, you'll be asked a series of ranging from a 1-mark question up to a 15-mark question. The main topics are key concepts and processes of cultural transmission, families, education, and research methods. In Year 11, you'll study Component 2, Understanding Social Structures. Again, questions will range from 1 mark to 15 marks. The topics are social difference and stratification, crime and deviance, and an applied methods of sociological inquiry. Remember, GCSE qualifications are reported on a 9-point scale from 1 to 9, where 9 is the highest grade. Mae llawer iawn o fanteision o astudio cymdeithaseg, many advantages to studying sociology. I ddechrau, adeiladu dealltwriaeth ac ymwybyddiaeth feirniadol o'r byd o'ch cwmpas chi, fostering an understanding and critical awareness of the social world around you. This course will develop your ability to think sociologically in relation to your experience of the social world around you, so that you're able to play a positive, active and informed role in society. There are no previous learning requirements for you to do this course. The course provides a suitable foundation for the study of sociology at either AS or A-level. In addition, the course provides a coherent, satisfying and worthwhile course of study for learners who do not progress to further study in the subject. The knowledge and understanding and skills developed through the study of GCSE sociology will also provide a basis for further learning and career choices. What questions will I study? Mae yna llawer iawn o gwestiynau fyddwch chi'n astudio yn Cymdeithaseg. Who makes the law and who benefits from it? Why do women earn less than men even when they do the same job? Why does inequality exist? Cwestiynau eraill yn gallu cynnwys: are single parent families responsible for the increase in levels of crime? Why do people commit crime? Pam bod pobl yn dewis troseddu? Why are there different types of families? Pam bod na mathau gwahanol o deuluoedd? Why do some